In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows installer error code 0x800f0838 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. To click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then we need to check some services. So type services in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Locate for the background intelligent transfer service or the bits. Double click or right click and then startup type, change this to automatic. Click on start, apply, and then OK. And click the restart button on the left pane. Look for the cryptographic services. Double click. Make sure this is automatic. Click on start, apply, and then OK. And click on the restart button on the left pane if it is already running on your Windows. Scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update. Double click. Make sure this is automatic. Click on Start, Apply, and then OK. If it is already running, click the Restart button on the left pane. Then, for the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type Notepad. Open it. And I'm going to paste this script or this in the description section of this video. Paste it in the Notepad and then click on File. Go to Save As. Save this in the desktop. Name this fix.bat. Do not forget the extension. That is the very important part there. Save as type, choose all files, and click on Save. Then, right-click on it on the desktop. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. And wait for the process to be done. Type Y. Hit Enter. Then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.